Welcome back to IPR Uncovered. IP as shown in Shark Tank India. This is the show where we get down to the business of the business. We analyze the pitches that made an impact, the valuations that made our heads spin, and the crucial role of intellectual property. Today, we are talking about a pitch that wasn't just cool, it was a game changer for industrial safety. We are talking about Judge Safety. The pitch, a breath of fresh air. Judge Safety stepped into the tank with a brilliant solution to a very real problem, heat stress for industrial workers. Their flagship product was an air-conditioned helmet. Using a solid-state cooling module, they promised to keep workers comfortable in harsh environments, from construction sites to factories. This wasn't a luxury item, it was a necessary piece of safety equipment that directly addressed worker health and productivity. The founders' pitch focused on their B2B business model, targeting large enterprises, and their successful partnerships with companies like JCB India. They were selling a product that not only provided comfort but also reduced worker fatigue and prevented accidents. The ask? A confident 50 lakhs rupees for 1% equity, valuing the company at 50 crores rupees. This valuation was a testament to their belief in the product's unique technology and its potential to disrupt the massive industrial safety market. IPR Uncovered, the patent power. Now, let's get to the most critical part of this analysis, their intellectual property. For a hardware startup like Judge Safety, IP is its most valuable asset. The founders were very clear that they had a patent granted in India for their air-conditioned helmet. This is not just a claim, it's a legal reality that gives them a significant competitive edge. The core of their IP is their solid-state cooling module. A patent on this technology gives Judge Safety a legal monopoly on their invention for a set period. This prevents competitors from reverse engineering their product and selling a similar device. This is a crucial defensible moat that justifies their valuation and gives the sharks confidence that they're investing in a unique, protected technology, not just a product that could be easily replicated. Additionally, their brand name, Judge Safety, and their logo are protected by trademarks, which prevent brand confusion in the market. The combination of strong patents and trademarks shows that the founders are not just building a product, but a valuable, defensible brand. The outcome, a cool deal. Judge Safety's pitch was a huge success. After a bidding war with multiple sharks, they secured a deal with Aman Gupta. While the details of the final deal varied slightly from the initial ask, Aman saw the immense potential in their patented technology and the B2B business model. This deal solidified Judge Safety's position as a major player in the industrial safety space and gave them the funding and mentorship to scale their operations. Closing note. The story of Judge Safety is a great example of how a truly innovative product, backed by strong intellectual property, can impress even the most discerning investors. It shows that in a crowded market, a patent can be the key to unlocking a profitable and defensible business. What did you think of the Judge Safety pitch? Did the sharks make a smart investment? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might be interested in the future of IPR. Because in a world full of ideas, the real game is in owning and protecting them. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay smart, and see you in the next video.